In this video, I will show you how to make a crew logo in Blox Fruits. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox.com and log in to your account. Now once you're logged in, you want to come up to the top left hand corner and click onto the create icon just up here. And that's going to take you across to your creator dashboard. From here, make sure to come up to the top left hand corner and click onto dashboard. And from here, you want to click onto development items just over here. And underneath development items, you're going to get some different options. And what you want to do is click onto decals just over here. And this way you can come to actually create your logo. So what we're going to do is click onto the upload asset button here. And you want to make sure the asset type is set to decal. And then what we can do is upload our image. So if we click onto the upload button, we can choose the image from our PC. So I'm going to choose this one here, and we can give this a name as well. So I'm just going to call this one crew logo and also a description. So I'm just going to call this one crew logo. Once that's done, be sure to come down and press the upload button just underneath. And it's just going to take a second or two to upload this to Roblox. So you can see that's currently uploading and processing through. So what we're now going to do is come back to Roblox.com. So we just want to go to Roblox.com. And from here, you want to come to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto inventory. Next, what you need to do is locate the decals option. So you can see that's just down here. Give that a click and you should see your logo showing up here. So if the image doesn't show up straight away, that's just because it's been reviewed by Roblox. So normally it takes an hour or two for this to appear. However, what you can do is actually click onto the logo from here, and this is going to take you across to the logo page. And what we want to do is actually copy the address from the top just up here. So we're going to click onto copy. And once that's done, what you want to do is go ahead and load up Roblox Blox Fruits. So let's come back to Roblox, and what we're going to do is just go ahead and search for Blox Fruits. And now what we're going to do is just start up the experience. So here we are, as you can see, in Blox Fruits. So now what we're going to do is come over to the left hand side, and you can see these different icons here. You want to click onto this icon here, which is like a picture of a skull with two swords. And this way you can come to create your crew. So what we're going to do is actually put our decal link that we copied earlier into here, and then come down and press the yellow create button. So as you can see, we've now added our logo just like so, and that is how to go ahead and create a crew logo in Blox Fruits. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.